unboxing from Charming Cheshires, another company I've never purchased from before. This is their card. Doesn't have like any other info other than the name, the logo. It's a really pretty card though. And a thank you. It's telling me that I have a sample. Thank you very much. Oh, these are taped, so I'll have to come back to you. All right, I am back, and these are the bath bombs. This first one is Crescent Woman. I'm sorry, Crescent Woman. I don't know what I was thinking. Crescent Moon. I actually read it in my head correctly. It just didn't come out of my mouth properly. And it smells amazing. I can actually smell these through the packaging. I can't tell you the pricing because they did not include an invoice, which is wah wah. But and then this next one is Polka Bunny. Another nice smelling one. We have Loopy. Oops. Loopy. Smells like Fruit Loops, and it looks, you know, kind of small when you look at it in the hand, but it is still 4.8 ounces, which is the same as this Polka Bunny actually, because it's so thick. Next we have a strawberry cake, and I got this one, oh, just for the scent, because I love strawberry stuff. And here's another one of those eggs that looks small, but it's really big because it's thick. This one is, I don't know what, but it is an egg. Doesn't have the name on it. I'm not sure if I'm feeling that scent. And then look how cute this one is. This one is Foo-Foo. Smells nice. Then I just got this because I like pinks. So yan, and yeah, no scent again. Oh, it smells, yes, okay. I know why I got this one that I remember, because it was bubblegum, and anytime there's a bubblegum scent, I always pick it up. And then this one that said it was for children, but it was too cute. Got it. And then I saw the colors that come out of it on their Etsy site, and I was like, this is going to be beautiful. So it doesn't have a name on it, and because I don't have an invoice, I also can't follow up with the name or the pricing. But it's super cute. It smells good. And then finally, the sample of the Mad Hatter. Thank you so much for the sample. All right, what do we have again? We had this mystery egg that doesn't have a name on it. We have this Sylvian, scented in bubblegum. We have Polka Bunny, strawberry cake, Foo-Foo, Crescent Moon, Loopy, and finally we had whatever this was. Super cute though. All right, guys, that's it. And again, this is Charming Cheshires. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.